here's Brody Brazil.
What if I told you that broadcasters across the globe pretty much only use one brand and one model of earpiece? Like literally, there's tons of choices out there, but all of us pretty much use exactly this. It's the custom clarifier from a company called Audio Implements. They're out of Waukesha, Wisconsin. And so in this video, I just wanted to pull back the curtain a little bit, show you what this is all about, and maybe why professional broadcasters prefer it, whether you're in sports, politics, news, weather, whatever you do in television production. This little earpiece right here, one for each ear, is probably what you're going to be using at some point. So this thing is custom molded. And what's crazy about it is this one is for my right ear. I made this mold. I had it made 20 plus years ago when I got into television. And what they do is they send you a box with some powder and some liquid. You pour the liquid into the powder, you stir it with a little popsicle stick. You take that putty, you put it in your ear, and then you let it dry in there. And then you do it for both ears. You mail those two molds out to Wisconsin, and a couple weeks later, they send you something that looks like this. Now, this one is for the right ear, and then here's the one they just sent me for the left ear. And this is all detachable, right? So there's a couple different parts here. There's the clarifier. Now, this is actually the speaker, and this is actually plugged into this cord right here. And then the cord plugs into your IFB box or your headset box, depending on how you're broadcasting. But this cord is also detachable, so you can do a coiled cord, a longer cord, a shorter cord, a cord with an 1/8 inch jack, a 1/4 inch jack, tons of options there. You can also have different volumes, different ohm levels basically of the clarifier, so louder or a little bit softer in your ears. But then it comes to this part, which is coiled. It's made of plastic. Now, I have had to replace these every probably 3 to 5 years. I just got this one in the mail, actually, because my old one, this plastic, over time, it just cracks. Like, the plastic hardens up. I don't know whether that's a sun or a moisture thing, but eventually it gets old and it cracks, so you get new ones. But yeah, they make these molds from something I sent them 20 years ago. So here's the right one, and here's the left one. And it, like I said, it comes in this pouch. Oh, I forgot to show you. This part is also detachable. Whoops. It's all detachable. But you can see how the cord goes into the clarifier. And then this piece, if you just want, you just snap it on there. And then the other cool thing about it is it comes with this clip. Let me see if you can see it better here. There you go. That clip. And that clip is important because for a lot of people, they just clip that on the back of their collared shirt. I guess I could kind of do it now. And then a lot of times you'll see me, like if I'm not, broadcasting between a segment, a lot of times that's just coiled over my shoulder, then pop it right in the ear. Now, this headset or this earpiece from Audio Implements, it's a lot different than what I'm actually wearing right now. These are the Shure SE215s. I use this mostly for studio production because it is custom fit in my ear. And that mold really makes a difference of how it fits and feels and how it sounds. These are not custom headphones from Shure, but the difference is the driver of these headphones is right here, like literally in my ear. So it pushes sound a lot better. And I will say that if I'm in a live environment or I'm at a stadium or warm-ups are happening at a hockey venue, I put these in because these have a tighter seal. These block out more ambient noise from outside. The custom ones here from Audio Implements, they do an okay job with that. I have used them in those situations, but honestly, these are just much better off in a studio environment. So there's the right one. Here's the left one. I haven't even popped this out yet. That's custom molded, but there it is. And then what's really cool about it is you can see right here that they give you this card. And this card right here, all you have to do is call them up and say, hey, pull my file. You need a new one? You need 5 new ones? They'll literally just make the mold from the one you sent them years ago. So that's what this is. It's from Audio Implements. Why do we all use these same earpieces? Because they work. They're reliable. They can be fixed in a second, right? If the speaker part's blown, bang, put a new speaker part, keep the custom molds. I think the the modular design of them is why we like them so much. But yeah, again, everybody uses them. Check out your next favorite TV show. Look at the host who's wearing an earpiece. I would say 95% of the time they're wearing one of these, like specifically from Audio Implements. And if they're not, they're wearing something more like these, some generic in-ear monitors from a company like Shure or Sennheiser or somebody else. So, hey, just wanted to share that. Let me know what you think, or if you use these, in the comments section below.